Guys, I'm just editing this video and I just want to confirm these codes for Dress to Impress are still working in October 2024. Make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy these Dress to Impress new codes. And yeah, I'll see you in a few seconds. Guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you the best Dress to Impress codes working in October 2024. You're gonna be able to get free VIP and free outfits and items. Guys, this is the best selection of Dress to Impress codes that you can get, guys, today. So use your mobile phone for this, guys. Make sure you have an internet connection and head on over to this following website, www.robotcoupons.com. So make sure you type this correctly, guys. Robot Coupons. This is a coupon code website, but they actually have Dress to Impress codes. So go to the search bar, search for Dress to, and here we go, Dress to Impress secret codes, guys. These are awesome. Scroll down now, there is a couple of different Dress to Impress codes. You can get a free VIP pass and you can get unlock all outfits and items, guys. These are the best working codes that you can grab right now. So click on the code you want and you need to unlock your code, guys, because these codes are limited and super desirable. So go ahead, tap unlock code and you're gonna see a new screen and it's gonna tell you how to unlock your code. It will take about 5 minutes, but trust me, guys, it is worth it. These are secret and by far the best Dress to Impress codes in 2024, working in October, guys. So go to Robot Coupons and search for the Dress to Impress code. You can get free VIP or you can unlock all outfits and items. So these are the best codes. Enjoy.